In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a Clickup task. Understanding how to effectively communicate through comments can really enhance your collaboration experience on Clickup. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the task you wish to comment on. This is pretty straightforward. Head to your Clickup workspace and locate the specific task within your project or list. Clicking on it will open the task view where you can get started. Once you've opened the task, the next thing you'll need to do is find the comment box. Typically, you can spot this either at the bottom or side of the task details view, depending on how your layout is configured. ClickUp makes these pretty accessible, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Now it's time to type your comment. Click directly into the comment box and start typing your message. Here's where ClickUp's features really shine. You're not just limited to plain text. You can use rich text formatting to make your comment much more engaging and clear. This can include things like bold or italic text to emphasize key points. Attachments are also an option here if you need to include files, images, or any additional documents that are relevant to the task at hand. Don't forget about @mentions, which allow you to tag specific team members directly. This ensures that they receive a notification about your comment, making it a great way to draw their attention to important details or to request their input. After you've crafted your message just the way you want it, it's time to send off your comment. This is done by clicking the Send button. It usually looks like an arrow or some kind of icon next to the comment box, a familiar symbol for sending messages. A quick click and your comment will be attached to the task for everyone within the workspace to see. But wait! There are more handy features within ClickUp that you might find useful when dealing with comments. For instance, you can assign comments to specific team members. This can really help clarify who's responsible for any actions that need to be taken based on the conversation. You also have the option to resolve comments once the issue has been addressed, which helps keep the task discussion tidy and up to date. Another useful feature is the ability to watch threads. This way you can get updates and follow the progress of the conversation without missing out on any crucial information. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to commenting on a ClickUp task. I hope you find these instructions helpful for your future project collaborations.